Alright, so looking behind me, you'll see what's called Dublin's Gulch. What it was is in the 1920s, a bunch of miners dug into the side of the mountain there, made some subterranean living so it'd be a little cooler. It was supposedly, the guy that started this was from Butte, Montana. Anyway, the last time someone lived in here was in the 70s. The museum curator told me that there was a picture they had here back in the 60s of a clothesline with their laundry on there and some cars parked here and all. But yeah, people actually lived inside this mountain. And they're very small, but it is cooler inside. Of course, they're all locked up. But this just goes to show you, you know, people decided to live in the desert. I don't know, but yeah. And then there's a cemetery over this way. As you're coming up the road, there's the cemetery for Shoshone. Let's let you look at the surroundings here. Hear the crows. I'll take you a quick tour. There's my ride. Yeah. I don't have a 4Runner, but she does really well on these dirt roads. That's what happens when you have heavy duty suspension and heavy duty motor and transmission, all that stuff, because it used to be a police car for Metro. So, undercover car. But it is got the pursuit package and everything, so it's very good. So, you're living out in the desert, you can go poop anywhere, but hey, let's build an outhouse. At least you can have some shade. There we go. You can sit with your friends, take a poop. I can deal with the lizards, I just don't want to see any friggin' rattlesnakes. Whew. That would not be nice. Alright, let's check it out. See if you can see inside a little bit there. So yeah, I actually lived in here. This is like a garage. Here we go. So, yes, you could park a good sized car in here. It's pretty long. You definitely put like a Volkswagen Beetle. You put two Beetles in here. Yeah. Now they also, when I was reading about it, it says that they did have where they had stovepipes coming out so that they could heat the place in the winter. Of course, in the summertime, whew, the reason they did this was because in the summertime, it's a lot cooler living basically like subterranean. See in there? That one's got a brace holding it up. There's actually looks like a bed frame, or the springs for a bed. And that one. You've seen there real good. Here, let's see if we can get a little better. Here we go. You see, it's down to Copa in the mountains. So we're just on the edge of Death Valley. There's my car. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So we're at like 120 degrees right now. We're here by the edge of Death Valley. Why would you want to live out here? I don't care if you were mining. I'd go mine in Colorado. In the woods. Where there's water. And there's trees and mountains. And you can build a cabin. Yeah, no. I can have 120 degree weather. I already have that sometimes in Vegas, but to live out here in the desert with that? No.